street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1941 Chevrolet Coupe. 350 crate motor underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Take a look at the headlight surrounds, bright work grille. Now, if you want to check out still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, take a look at the underside of this, interior trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Front end is out of a 1970 Nova, 2-inch drop spindles. The power steering and brakes were just installed within the last 3 years. Power disc brakes. And as you can see, steel wheels, Chevy center caps. When I say disc brakes, I mean up front, FYI. Drums in the rear, disc up front. Paint is older on this, but it does show well. So it was done right back in the day when it was actually painted. Interior's bucket seats, cloth interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll fire it up here at the end, let you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. We get to the interior, the steering column, gauges and wiring out of an 89 Chevy. There's an aftermarket stereo system in there, a little aftermarket gauge cluster. And as far as that paint I mentioned earlier, it is a DuPont red, and there is a paint code with some of the paperwork. And again, check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, that engine bay, trunk area, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can see the bright work on it. We have the special deluxe trim up here, and the bright work up and down the side. Shows well, nice and straight. Banjo style steering wheel. Door panels, nice condition. Again, bucket seats out of a Mazda, I believe. That's what those would be out of. And that center console, and then the stereo down in the center. The shifter on the column. Nice looking interior. Also headliner. Also in good condition. Rear seating area. So fun car. You can bring grandkids with, friends with, family. More than just a regular 2-seat coupe. And as you notice right here, flip-flopped in the fuel gauge, just so you know. See how easily that 350 starts. We'll let it warm up here just a little bit. So that gauge cluster I was talking about. Stereo is in working order down here, Kenwood. And then the aftermarket gauge cluster right underneath the dash. That was a cold start, so I want to assume that the temp gauge is going to come up with the temp of the engine. Good oil pressure in the voltmeter. See if we can get off that high idle. There we go. Sounds good. Let's check this out. Look how nicely that door closes and fits too. So nothing over the top for exhaust, but just a nice little rumble coming out of that 350. All right, let's slip up to the front. There is a release inside here, so let's pop this hood release right here. And that door does close nice. Doesn't take much to shut it. And let's see if I can get this open one here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's that crate 350. Again, power steering, power brakes, headers down there. Aluminum radiator with pusher fan. Looks like a Holly car, 4-barrel, HEI ignition. Wow, nice smooth running V8. Sounds good. Get paired up with automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. You can see the cowl tag or data tag that will be in with the still pictures. There you go. Nice looking street rod. 1941 Chevrolet Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we insist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate. You can call in or email.